Okay, quick note here about the NumberCube question. Um, so they have a NumberCube class that has a toss method that just generates a random int 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, representing like a die that you would be rolling. And then you have to do two methods, but it doesn't really say where those methods are. Are they part of NumberCube? Are they in another class? And honestly, you could interpret it either way, right? If you wanted to, imagine they're inside of this NumberCube class, you could. I guess the way I thought of it, the standard way would be to have like a separate class. So, NumberCube would look something like this, which has a random toss method, generates an int, right? You don't even have to make this or anything, but just this is what it would look like. And then I made a separate one called Cube Simulator where the two methods are exist, right? And so again, you can do it however you want. Basically, you just need this method heading, then add the guts. I mean, you could put it wherever you want, right? And that's true on the AP test too, right? You could type it out anywhere. If you want to type your answer out in Microsoft Word or a Google Doc, you could. Um, I like it in Eclipse, even though again you might get errors and stuff when you type them in Eclipse. Even though, right, like on this one would be a perfect example where if you just typed this method, you would get an error because this NumberCube class doesn't exist, right? I made one just for fun, just to make it so it would actually work or whatever. But on the AP test, you probably don't want to do that because that'd take extra time. So know that if you do type your methods, oftentimes you get those red compile errors, even though there's not an actual error because you don't have all the code. Um, they just give you parts of it in the question. At any rate, I just wanted to point out that I don't know where you want to stick these methods, but I made my own class here. All right, hopefully that helps. Good luck with the question. Ask me if something comes up, or obviously watch the help video. Take care.